Welcome back friends. Today I will show you that how to do Cov-IgG test in Vidas Analyzer. Actually, patient sample will be tested for a type of antibody called immunoglobulin IgG. This antibody develops in most patients at around 2 weeks after infection and remains in the blood after patient have recovered. Although we don't know presently how long it may persist, still it is under research. And if this antibody is found in blood, it indicates that a patient may have had COVID-19 in the recent past and have developed an immune response against the virus. It is unknown at this point that how much protection, if any, antibodies might provide against another infection with SARS-CoV-2. This means that having a IgG positive came means patient is immune, but this test is not valid for traveling purpose. For that must need PCR swab test. But for this test, as I told that IgG antibody test, so it for this test we need blood and serum need patient serum need. This is Vidas Biomerics company, and this is the lot number and expiry and all details, and this coming as a strips. You will see there will be strips and SPRs for sample processing. All the reagent will be available in the strip, so ready to use, and there is no onboard stability. With kit it will come negative and positive control C1 C2 is negative control and C1 is positive control and S1 is calibrator. Until now, only qualitative controls are available that can be used for calibration purpose. Still, there is no external control available to run for this test and show the LJ graph. So only qualitative controls we will do, and we will check the our kit calibration is okay or not. Like that, these are SPRs that will be used for sample processing and with reagent mixing and everything, and later on I will show you how we will process the test. And these are the strips. I will show you that strip, because now only I need one test. I will show you how to run. This is the STR strip that will be available, and you can see there will be reagent in the wells, and in the first hole we will enter the we will put the we will add the serum of patient, and we will start. Later on all process will be inside the machine. There is no extra reagent, and one good point is that there is no reagent on board stability for this kit. And this kit containing 60 tests. If we are doing IgG, it means that we are diagnosing recovery period, or we are diagnosing past infection of patient. But if we are doing IgM for COVID test, it means we are detecting the infectious stage. Means first 14 days of infection can, if we have to detect, then time we will run IgM. This is the Vidas Analyzer with 5 sections, and each section containing 6 tests. This green light blinking means test is finished, and these are, here we will keep SPRs and here we will keep the strips. As you can see, there are 6 positions, so in one section we can keep 6 samples. This is the main screen of the analyzer. I will go to the data entry or sample ID entry section. In sample ID I will write the name, and from assay I will choose the test, and I will create the profile or create the test. Down you can see that available sections 5, and still I not remove test from the 5th section, so that's why it is coming unload. So like now I will select this test and I will create, and I will go to the one, means Vidas 1, and now you see 100 microliter sample need, 26-minute time need, and first position I have to keep the strip. This is the position where we have to keep the SPRs, and here we will keep the strip. And now I will add 100 microliter patient sample, and I will start the test. See, 100 microliter, and now I will add into the strip. Now we will click the start button. That I want to show the sample, but because of quality of light it was not possible. Now I will click section A, start button, and it will start the test. First it will verify the strip that I keep right strip for the selected test or not. If it is verified, then the time schedule will appear, that in how much time the test will finish. See, now it's came that 124 result will come. Now is 12:57. Now I will show you the control result that I told you for calibration I did. This is the result area for where, if here I will go to the result section, and here I will choose the date, which date I calibrated the kit, and I run control for checking of calibration. Now I will refresh and see. C1 was positive control 3.65, and C2 was negative control 0.03 minus 0.03. So if it is negative means patients, if those who are doing negative, it means either if they are with symptoms and they are coming for IgG test, and if it will come negative, still means it infectious phase going on. But if any patient is asymptomatic and they are doing this test, it means still they are not exposed to the virus. Now patient result finished. So again I will select the today's date, and I will refresh to see the patient result. Now last patient we run, and it came negative 0.02. It means that that patient was totally asymptomatic. Just for they want to confirm that they exposed or not. So it means still they are not exposed to the virus. So like that we will do the IgG test for COVID patients. I hope you like the video and understand how we will run this sample. Blood is needed for this sample, serum is needed, and there is no extra hard and fast rules. So if you like that video, please click the like button. Do share also to your fellows to increase the knowledge for them about this test. Thank you so much.